Did you know that Monopoly can teach us valuable lessons about success? Stick around as we explore the strategies and mindset that can lead to success, both in the game and in life. 1. Strategy and planning. Just like in Monopoly, success often begins with a solid strategy and careful planning. In the game, players strategically acquire properties, build houses and hotels, and make calculated moves to bankrupt their opponents. Similarly, in real life, having a clear plan and executing it step by step can pave the way to success. 2. Risk-taking. Monopoly teaches us that taking calculated risks can lead to significant rewards. Players often have to decide whether to invest in properties or hold onto their cash. In the business world, successful individuals understand the importance of strategic risk-taking, whether it's starting a new venture or making bold decisions to advance their careers. 3. Adaptability. Monopoly is unpredictable, and success requires adaptability. Just like in the game, life throws unexpected challenges our way. Successful people are those who can adapt to change, learn from failures, and adjust their strategies accordingly. 4. Negotiation skills. Negotiation is a crucial aspect of Monopoly, and it's no different in the real world. Whether it's convincing a fellow player to make a trade or negotiating a business deal, strong negotiation skills are essential for success. Monopoly teaches us the art of persuasion and compromise. 5. Patience and persistence. Winning at Monopoly takes time, and success in life often follows the same principle. Patience and persistence are key. Players don't win Monopoly overnight, and similarly, achieving our goals requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to overcome obstacles. So, there you have it, the valuable lessons about success that Monopoly can teach us. From strategic planning to adaptability, risk-taking to negotiation, and the importance of patience and persistence. These principles apply not only to the board game, but also to our journey towards success in the real world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep playing the game of life with determination and strategy.